I highly believe in KISS, which is keep it simple, stupid. And this is definitely going against my... These puppies out first. So, let's get you shut off. Let's unbox our components that we have. Okay, so they sent me everything, and these. This is really what we need, but they sent all of this in case anything breaks. So this clip slid up, and it pulls right up. And you can see it here. This metal clip, slide it up, and then you can pull this out and disconnect the hose. Okay, so now this water line, I'm sorry, I don't have you guys oriented properly. This water line can pop out, and this can be set right here. Here is this gray tab that you can pinch in, and then this pulls our flush valve out. Okay. So you can see here the warping. Just get a picture of that. You can see the warping here, and it's bubbling up. So that's why it's not creating a good seal. So let's see. We're doing this together. What does any of that mean? Oh, I see. These are the new clips to go on the top piece here. All right, so let me swap that out. So this is similar to the Kohler canister style flush valve. Yeah, you could see, it might not come across good in video, but there's a bunch of bubbles. That's why this wasn't sealing up properly. All right, now I'm going to swap out these clips. Give me a minute. Okay, so this clip just tilts forward and pulls out. So now that that one's back in place, get this one on. Which seems easier said than done. Okay, so that one's in. That clips back into that like that. Let's see. We don't need this one. I know, stop beeping at me. Yeah, because we don't have this style. This wasn't already there. That was if it was that orientation. Yeah. Okay. So now that that's in place and that's on, we we can get this back in. The second gasket, I think they had just sent me in case, because I don't see any other gasket inside of here, and I don't want to take this apart. So I think there's two different versions of this gasket. So now we got to get this tucked back in there. The fact that they were able to design and engineer something like this to where it fits and can be taken out is insane to me. Okay, so that's good. This is my first time doing this one with the pistons like this, with the air hoses. I'm used to the ones with the levers, where you push on the buttons and it pushes these levers and that lifts up the mechanism here. All right, so now that we got that on, let's prep the next part. I think they would send you new hoses. Make sure these things are pushed in all the way. I highly believe in KISS, which is keep it simple, stupid. And this is definitely going against my beliefs. Okay, so now let's get this done. First thing we're gonna do is get this water line reconnected here, like so. Now we are tightening down metal onto plastic, so we don't need to go overly crazy. So now this should just clip back into here like that. And then, how does that? Oh, I see. Okay, so we release this like that, and then we rotate this one. How do we rotate this one? Oh, I see. That goes all the way over like that, and this one goes all the way over like that. So now we should be able to turn the water back on. Alright, I'll be back when I'm ready to flush. It's a very good sign that we don't see anything. So what we should be able to do is press one of these. And we'll test the other button after. Okay, now let's test the button on the right side. Then what we'll do is we'll drop a dye tablet inside this tank here just to confirm we're 100% sealed up, and then we'll get this thing closed up. These are the toilet dye tablets. It comes 2 in a pouch. I've had those for quite a long time because I picked up like a 50 pack of them. So it goes a long way, it lasts. So what we're gonna do is, it's currently 8:20, so we will let that sit for 10 minutes. And if that seems good, then we will get everything buttoned up. it has been 10 minutes. We got no blue. Now just to show you that I'm not lying, that there is a tablet in there. So that blue will clear up over the next couple of flushes. Make sure these stay in place. Make sure we're not pinching anything like these hoses. So can I rotate them? Let's see, I think like this, like that, this, like that. Just make sure. Pushing these blue tabs in helps get the plate solid on the wall. Oh, I forgot to put this. Just clips right in. That helps keep the hoses in line. Okay. Let's take this. This is glass, so just always be super careful. It just clips into place. And now perfect. Yeah.